Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Shailja Saraswati. Every Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, we spend time where I talk about topics on mindfulness, meditation, and some stories from my life. The mind heals the body, and the mind also makes the body sick. Anything happening in the body in form of disease starts affecting the body at the mind level first. And there's certain beautiful techniques from our ancient knowledge called Panchkarma treatment, which can really benefit uh, us at lot of levels. You know, and the more I'm, in a professional scenario, I'm working. I work in a corporate job. I come across various ailments people are suffering from backaches to migraines to stomach issues, digestion issues, sleep disorders, and I think it's a lot to do with the toxins, the lifestyles one follows, the late nights, the sedentary life. And there is one treatment I was so fascinated, and I think I ended up doing it uh, many times, especially 10 years ago. I was suffering from this very bad back issue, uh, and nothing was helping it. So I started reading a lot about how and what I can do. I also went to the extent of are there any issues at a mind level which I have not been able to resolve, which I need to resolve. I read a lot about other alternative therapies as well. But then I end up staying in a center, Ayurvedic center, for 10-15 days, and I went through this treatment called the Panchkarma treatment. So now what I can remember after 10 years is what I'm telling you. So at an experience level, they start with very basic massages in the first few days, and there is a bit of a combination of sattvic food, vegetarian food, and a bit of yoga in the morning. And you are disconnected from the rest of the world. You can't check your gadgets, or switch on the television, or read any books, or talk to people. So it's a very saint like life, and all the energies of the body and the mind gets focused onto the body for its healing. And what Panchkarma does is it takes the body and the way the body functions, everything about the body starts focusing on itself to heal and take the toxins out. So they would, there was another thing which I read at that time. I read a book about Panchkarma, which is about how toxins solidify at a cellular level. So in our cells, all the negativity or lifestyle issues which we've had, it affects our cells as well. So the toxins get solidified, and through those therapeutic massages, right, with the oils and the potleys, those crystals start breaking down at a cellular level, and they start getting flushed through the stomach outside the body. And there is one process in which they actually make you it causes a little bit of diarrhea, because then the toxins start releasing, or it could be the jal niti, right? So from one nostril you put the water, and from the other nostril it comes out. So that entire area, the upper respiratory system, gets cleaned up. So essentially the idea is that the nature or the way the body operates, if you give it time to heal and rest and go back to its womb state, right, how a child is born and how the child's digestive system operates, if you start going back to that state, then the body starts going back to its natural state. And if we do this, let's say once a year, yeah, this entire detoxification process, if we can just invest on ourselves once a year for 3 days, 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, it is the most difficult, but the most effective way of curing diseases, and diseases also those diseases which are about to strike your body. So now I don't have the luxury to take out 10-15 days. I have a small kid, I have a full-time job. But what I still do is on weekends, I try and like go for these Ayurvedic Panchkarma massages at least once or twice over the weekend. And again, it's like reliving what I had done earlier 10 years ago. And I did that time, I think I did that for maybe 4 to 5 times, batches of 7 days, 10 days, 15 days. But I was really, I was in a bad shape. I mean, I couldn't even sit up. There was issues in the disc area. There were a lot of issues in my personal life as well. I think it was reflecting in my health. Yeah, I think Panchkarma is that one science which is the gift to humanity, and I would suggest that please experience it. Please experience the nectar of ancient science which is waiting to cradle you, take you back to the womb state, and rejuvenate you with the energy, the energy which we deserve to have, which we deserve to live with. Our lifestyles are not easy. Our eating habits are all haywire. It's easier said than done sometimes. But if we have certain rituals like these, they really help in the long. They can really help us. I'll leave you here. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, keep smiling. Bye.